Hello viewers, in this class we are going to look at some more problems based on discounts. Now look at the problems. The marked price of a laptop is rupees 12,000. A clearance sale, it is sold at a discount of 15%, incurring a loss of 4%. What is the cost price of the laptop? Marked price is given. In a clearance sale, it is sold at a discount of 15%. So you can take directly the value because you have the marked price. This is 12,000 rupees. 15% discount. 10% of 12,000 is 1200. 5% is 600. Therefore, 1800. 1800 if you decrease it, you are going to get it for 10,200. Still you are making a loss of 4%, which means your CP into 96 by 100, or else you can say 96 by 100, you can say 24 by 25 is equals to 10,200. We can cancel it in 24 table. 24 4s are 96. 600 is left, that is 24 25s are. So CP is equals to 425 into 25. So you can find out the multiplication of it and then you will get the answer as this. Or else the one more thing. See simply here, 4%, after reducing it by 4%, you are getting 10,200. So before reducing it by 4%, it should be little bit more than 10,200. Therefore, this cannot be your answer. This is just more than 10,200. So this is also not your answer. This is a bit more than 10,200. If you give 4% on this, you will get 10,200. 4% if you decrease. Or else you multiply, you are going to get 10,625 only. Look at this problem. A dealer is selling an article at a discount of 5% on the marked price. If the marked price is 12% above the cost price and the article was sold for 532, then the cost price is, so here discount percentage is 5%, marked, 5% of the marked price, and the marked price is 12% above. So it is giving you markup percentage and discount percentage. So cost price, you are increasing it by 12%. 12% increase is 112 divided by 100. You are decreasing it by 5%. 5% decrease is 19 by 20. 95 by 100 or 19 by 20 is equals to 532. Cancel it. 4 into 25. 4 2s are, 4 8s are. So it has to go in 7 table. Cancel it in 7 table. 7 4s are, 7 7s are, 40. 49 means 4. 7 6s are. 19 1s are, 19 4s are. So this 4 is also cancelled. Therefore you left with CP is equals to 25 into 20, that's 500 rupees. Look at the next one. A dealer offers a discount of 10% on the marked price of an article and still makes a profit of 20%. He offers a discount of 10% and still makes a profit of 20%. If its marked price is 800, then the cost price of the article is. The relation between MP, CP, discount and profit. Write the formula. MP by CP is equals to 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. MP is 800, let CP be CP, 100 plus profit, 20% profit, so 120, discount is 10, therefore 90. Cancel it, 33s are, 34s are, 4 1s are, 4 200s are. So CP is equals to 200 into 3, 600. So answer is 600. MP by CP is equals to 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. Very, very important formula. The marked price of an article is 200. A discount of 12.1/2% is allowed, and the marked price and the profit is 25% is made. The cost price of the article is 200. You are giving a discount of 12.5. 12.5 is actually 1/8 in terms of fraction. 1/8 if you give, it will be 175, because 1/8 of 200 is 25. If you give 25 rupees of discount, you are going to get it for 175, and the profit made is 25%. Let the cost price be X, you are increasing it by 25%. 25% increase is 5/4 of the article, which is 175. Cancel it in 5 table. 5 ones are 5 3s are 5s are. So X is equals to 140 rupees. So the cost price is 140 rupees. This is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is, again same thing here. Marked price of an article is given, discount and profit is given. MP by CP is equals to 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. MP is 200, CP we don't know. 100 plus profit is 125, 100 minus discount is 12.5 means 87.5. 87.5 multiplied with 2. 87.5 can be written as 87.5, which is 175 by 2. So CP into 125, 200 into 175 by 2. 2s are 25 5s are 25 7s are. So 700 by 5 gives you 140. So CP is equals to 140. In this way also you can find it out. By giving a discount of 10% on the marked price of 1100 of a cycle, a dealer gains 10%. By giving discount of 10, he is gaining 10. I am directly writing here MP by CP, 100 plus profit 110, 100 minus discount 90. So if your MP is 110, your CP is 90, but if your MP is 1100, your CP becomes 900. So by putting values, you can find out the ratio between MP and CP. The ratio is 11:9. If 11 becomes 1100, then 9 becomes 900. These kind of questions asked in the exam. The marked price of an electronic iron is 690. The shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% and gains 8%. So what is MP and shopkeeper allows a discount of 8% and gains 8%. If no discount is allowed, then gain percent would be. First try to find out what is MP by CP. Discount is 10, profit is 8, therefore 108 by 90. If no discount is allowed, it is in, you can say 9 10s are 9 12s are 12 by 10. Generally cost price is 10. If no discount allowed, you sell it for 12 rupees only. You sell it for marked price only. Here 690 is dummy value. You can put whatever the value you want here, right? So this is CP, this is actually MP. If discount is not allowed, then MP becomes SP. Therefore profit percentage is 20%. The marked price of a radio is 480. The shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% and gains 8%. If there is no discount is allowed, his gain percent would be, again same thing, gains 8% means 108 by 90. The ratio is 12 by 10. If no discount is allowed, profit percentage would be 20%. Values change, but it is same. Now see, a trader wishes to gain 20% after allowing a discount of 10% on the marked price to his customer. At what percent higher than the cost price must he marks his goods? So he is asking you what is a markup percentage. In order to find out the markup percentage, you just find out what is the ratio between MP and CP. So what is MP by CP ratio? 100 plus profit 120, 100 minus discount 90. Therefore 4:3. So 3 is the cost price, MP is 4. Therefore you have to mark up percentage CP MP. How much increasing it is? 1 upon 3 into 100. 33.33% increased. So 33 1/3% would be the marked price, markup percentage. A shopkeeper offers 10% discount on the marked price of his articles and still makes a profit of 20%. What is the actual cost of the article marked 500 for him? So actual cost is how much? 10% discount on the marked price is marked price of his article, still makes a profit of 20. So MP is 500, cost is CP, 100 plus profit is 120, discount is 10, therefore 90. The formula that we are using is MP by CP is equals to 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. 3s, 4s. Therefore, CP is equals to 125 into 3, 375 rupees. In order to maintain the price line, a trader allows a discount of 10% on the marked price of an article. However, he still makes a profit of 17% on the cost price. Had he sold the article at the marked price, he would have earned a profit percent of. First, try to find out what is MP by CP. 17% means 117, discount of 90. Cancel it in 9 table, 9 10s are 9, 13s. So if you don't allow the discount, CP will be 10. You sell it for MP only. MP becomes SP when discount is 0. So straight away you are getting 3 rupees upon 10, that is 30% profit. Next one, how much percent more than a cost price should a shopkeeper mark? So how much percent more means he is asking you the marked percentage. Mark his goods so that after allowing a discount of 25% on the marked price, he gains 20. Again find out, in order to find out the mark percentage, you should know what is MP by CP. What is MP by CP? 100 plus profit, that is 120, 100 minus discount, that is 75. Cancel it in 5 table, this is 24, this is 15. 15 5s, 15 8s. CP is 5, MP is 8. So you should mark it 3 out of 5 into 100, markup percentage. Percentage increase is markup percentage. Percentage increase means value increase by initial value into 100. This is your CP, this is your MP. You are increasing it by 60%. A shopkeeper sold an item at 10% loss after giving a discount equal to half of the marked price. Equal to half of the marked price means you are simply giving 50% discount. Then the cost price is, again use the formula. We know MP by CP is equals to 100 minus loss by 100 minus discount. So MP by CP is equals to, loss is 10%, discount is 50%. So CP is equals to, this is 9 by 5. So CP is equals to 5 by 9th of MP. So CP is equals to how much? 5 by 9th of MP. Next question. A retailer gets a discount of 40% on the printing price of an article. Retailer sells it printing price, his gain percent is. See, generally a retailer gets a discount of 40% on the printing price. Assume that the printing price is 100. He gets a discount of 40 means 60. The reseller sells it at a printing price, his gain percent is. If this 60 rupees cost, if you buy it for 100, if you sell it for 100, how much is your profit percentage is asking you. He gets it for 60 only, but if you sell it for 100, your investment is only 60, but you are getting 100 rupees. 100 rupees of worth goods, you are getting it for 60 only, but if you sell it for 100, what is your profit percentage is asking you. Profit is 40 upon 60, which is 2 by 3, which is 66.66%. 2 by 3 into 100 you have to do in order to convert it into percentage. So I am doing it in fractions because everyone knows 2 by 3 is 66.66%. While selling a shirt, a shopkeeper gives a discount of 7%. If he had given a discount of 9%, he would have got 15 less as profit. So discount of 7%, discount of 9%, you are just decreasing 2% of what? MP. So if 2% of MP is 15 rupees, because 15 less, na? So what is your MP? If 2% is 15, 1% is 7.5, 100% is 750. So our answer is 750 there. Mr. A bought a refrigerator with 16 2/3% of discount on the labeled price. Had he bought it with 25% discount, he would have saved 600. What price did he buy the refrigerator? See, first labeled price is X, labeled price or market price, let it be X. You bought it for 5/6 of X, right? Had he bought it for 25%, 16 2/3 means 1/6. So 1/6 discount means 5/6. This is the price that you are buying. So this is your buying. This is your answer actually. But see here, 1/6 of the discount and 25% means 1/4 of the discount. What is the difference between these two? He is telling you difference between these two discounts is 600 rupees. So 6 minus 4, or else take the LCM is 12. 3s are 2s are, therefore x by 12 is equals to 60. X is equals to 60 into 12. We need 5/6 of 60 into 12. 1s are 10s are. 12 5s are 60. So you are buying it for 6,000. The selling price of an article is 1920 and discount given is 4%. The marked price of an article is, the selling price of an article is 1920 and the discount given is 4%. The marked price of an article, you give discount on marked price. So marked price, you are giving a discount of 4%, which is 96/100 is equals to cancel it in 96, 2s are 192. So what is your MP here? Directly I will get 2000. A fan in the shop is offered at a discount of 10%. It is sold during clearance sale at 6% discount over the already discounted price. At rupees 846, the original marked price of the fan. Let the marked price of a fan is X. First we are giving a discount of 10%, which is 9/10. Again we are giving discount of 6%, which is 94/100 is equals to 846. 8 plus 4 plus 6 is divisible by 9, therefore divide it in 9 table. 9 9s are 81 3, therefore 4s are. So your MP is equals to 1000. Don't take these answers into consideration. So it is 1000. Actually you are giving 10% discount initially. Therefore 900 becomes your second marked price, okay, before giving that 6% discount. A fan is listed at 1500 and a discount of 20% is offered on the list price. What additional discount must be offered to the customer to bring the net price to 1104? You have already given 20% discount. What is 20% on 1500? 10% is 150, 20% is 300. Therefore, you are already giving 300 discount, means you are getting it for 1200, but you wanted 1104. So you are additionally 96 discount upon 1200 into 100. So additional discount that you need is 12 1s are 12 8s are. So the additional discount is 8%. So you need to give an additional 8% discount on it. Next, the marked price of a shirt and trousers are in the ratio 1:2. Shopkeeper gives 40% discount on the shirt and the total discount on the set of shirt and trousers is 30%. The discount offered on trouser. It is like actually a mixtures and allegations problem, or else I can call it as a problem of grouping. So the marked prices are in the ratio 1:2. This is shirt and trouser. Do it like this. Shirt and trouser is 1:2. Upon shirt you are getting how much? Shopkeeper gives 40% on shirt. On trouser we don't know, but overall you are getting 30. Do it N1A1 plus N2A2. N1 plus N2 is 3 is equals to 30. If 30 goes that side, it becomes 90. 40 plus 2x is equals to 90. 2x equal to 50, x is equals to 25%. So we are giving a discount of 25% on trousers. You can also do it in allegations. How do I do it in allegation method? Instead of writing vertically, write it horizontally. Shirt, trouser, 1:2. Here I am getting 40%. Here I don't know, but here I am getting 30. N1 into difference between these two is 10. N2 into difference between these two, 30 is more than x, therefore 30 minus x. 1 5 x value is equals to 25%. The formula that we are using in this allegation method is N1 D1 is equals to N2 D2. D1 is the difference between left hand side of two values. D2 is the difference between the right hand side two values, that is 30 and x. See here, a retailer purchases a grinder at a discount of 15% and sells it for 1955 at a profit of 15%. If it is x, he is buying it for already 85% of x. Again he is increasing it by what? 15%. That is 115 by 100. And he is selling it for how much? 1955. Now cancel it. First make it simple. 5 17s are 5 20s are 5 23s are then 5 20s are 17 table you cancel it. 1s are 1s are 8 you left, so 5 1s are 5s are. So x is equals to 400 into 5 is 2000. So upon this 2000 you are getting a discount of 15%. 15% on 2000 is actually 300 rupees. So he received the discount of 15% on this 2000, which is 300 rupees. Ramesh bought 10 cycles for 500 each. He spent 2000 on repair of all cycles. He sold 5 of them at 750 each and remaining at 550 each. Then the total gain or loss. Try to find out normally. 10%, okay, 10 cycles 500 means your cost price overall is 10 into 500 5000 plus additional 2000. Overall you are getting, you are putting 7000 rupees as your investment. When you are selling them 755 555 cycles, 5 you common 1300. So you are only getting how much? 6500 rupees. 7000 you are putting, you are getting only 6500. Your loss is 500 upon 7000 into 100. 3 zeros cancel. 50 by 7 is 7, 1 by 7% loss. So still you are getting a loss of 7 1 by 7% rupees. Next one. A fan is listed at 1400 and the discount offered is 10%. What additional discount must be given to bring the net selling price to rupees 1200? Already you are giving a discount of what? 10%. 10% means how much? 140. You are giving it for already 1260. You need to bring down it to 1200. Therefore 60 upon 1260 into 100. Cancel this. 6 5s are 6 21s are. So we are getting how much here? It's 2 8 by 21. The marked price of an article is 500. It is sold at successive discounts of 20 and 10%. The selling price of an article, you are giving 20 and 10%. Upon 500, if I give 20% discount, 20% of 500 is 100. You are getting it for 400. Then you are decreasing it by 10%. Therefore, 40. You are finally selling it for 360 rupees. The price of an article is raised by 30% and then 2 successive discounts of each 10% each are allowed. Ultimately, the price of an article is, first you are increasing it by 30%, then 2 discounts of 10 and 10, 10 followed by 10 is actually 19% if you use the formula. So, you are actually decreasing it by 19%. Therefore, I would say 30 minus 19 minus 30 into 19 by 100. It is 11 minus 30 into 19 into this one is 570, therefore 5.7, which is equals to 5.3% increase. Positive sign, therefore it is increase. Now look at the last one. The equivalent single discount for 2 successive discounts of 15 and 10. Just apply the formula. 15 followed by 10% discount is 15 plus 10 minus 150 by 100. 25 minus 1.5 is equals to 23.5% discount. So, when 2 discounts are given, just use the formula x plus y minus x5 by 100 for single discount. So far in this class, we have seen problems on discounts, various cases when profit, discount and market price are given, how your CP, MP and SP varies. Finally, we have also seen series of discounts is given, how do we find out, how do we convert it into a single discount. That is all for discounts. Thank you.